You're staring at a chart, lines crisscrossing, indicators blinking, and you're thinking, is this really the best I've got? You've heard about TradingView, everyone has, but something feels limited. Like you're watching a movie on a small screen when you know there's an IMAX out there. Ever felt that way? Because today, we're diving deep into a question that's probably crossed your mind if you're serious about your charts. Is there something better than TradingView? Now, before the TradingView faithful come at me with pitchforks, let's be clear. TradingView is a powerhouse. It's got a massive community, tons of indicators, and it's pretty darn user-friendly. But like any tool, it has its limitations. Maybe you're frustrated with the subscription tiers, constantly hitting paywalls for features you really need. Maybe you're looking for more robust backtesting capabilities, something that goes beyond simple strategy testing. Or perhaps, you're just craving a more customizable interface, something that truly reflects your unique trading style. So, what are we talking about here? We're talking about alternatives that push the boundaries of what charting software can do. We're talking about platforms that offer deeper analysis, more granular control, and potentially a more tailored experience. Let's start with one crucial aspect: data. TradingView's data feed, while generally good, can sometimes lag or lack the depth that professional traders demand. Some platforms offer direct feeds from exchanges, providing real-time, tick-by-tick data, crucial for high-frequency trading or scalping. This level of precision can be the difference between a winning and losing trade. Then there's the backtesting. TradingView's Pine script is powerful, but it can be restrictive. Some alternatives offer more advanced backtesting environments, allowing you to simulate complex trading strategies with greater accuracy. This includes features like multi-timeframe analysis, walk-forward testing, and even the ability to incorporate machine learning models. Customization is another key area. Imagine a platform where you can build your own indicators from scratch, where you can design your own interface, and where you can seamlessly integrate third-party tools. Some platforms prioritize this level of flexibility, empowering you to create a truly personalized trading environment. And let's not forget the community. TradingView's social features are a big draw, but sometimes you need a more focused, professional community. Some platforms cater to specific trading styles or asset classes, fostering a more targeted and insightful exchange of ideas. Now, I'm not going to name specific platforms here. This isn't about promoting one over another. It's about encouraging you to explore, to question, and to find the tools that truly empower you. Do your own research, try out free trials, and see what resonates with your trading style. Look for platforms that offer the features you need, the data you demand, and the community you crave. Because at the end of the day, the best platform is subjective. It's the one that helps you achieve your trading goals, the one that feels intuitive, and the one that gives you the edge you need in the markets. Don't settle for good enough. Explore, experiment, and find the tool that truly unlocks your potential. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.